Showcasing today a gorgeous, basically new construction rancher right here in Queen Anne's County, Maryland. I'm at 118 Grant Court, Chestertown. Now, this home was built in 2020, so you might be thinking that's not new construction, but when it's been maintained to a T and has beautiful upgrades throughout, it's basically like a new build without the weight. We're at 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and about just over 1650 square feet. You'll notice great LVP flooring throughout, a nice neutral color palette. We've got custom blinds on all the windows. It has been deep cleaned every week. There is not one speck of dust you will find in this property. A light and airy feel, because as you'll notice as I'm walking around, there are loads of natural light coming in these windows. This is the primary suite, and the primary bath does have dual vanities, a standing shower, and a linen closet, which is a great feature. The kitchen, which I'll walk behind here, has been upgraded with custom knobs. All the fixtures throughout the home are picked out by the seller as well. We've got a gorgeous center island. The appliances were upgraded, so these are not basic builder grade. We've got an encapsulated crawlspace beneath us, and we've got a water treatment system here in the home. So you have a private well and private septic, but know that your water has its own personal water treatment system. Down the hall, you have your washer and dryer, as well as a nice pantry and attached 2-car garage. We're sitting on a 1-acre lot with a fenced-in backyard and a separate detached shed, perfect for your lawn equipment. Traveling to the other side of the home, and you can see that wide open floor plan behind me, you have 2 ancillary bedrooms and your other full bath. All the rooms do have great ceiling fans, which is helping with that just natural air. This is a high efficiency, super convenient home, extremely low maintenance, and one that is definitely going to catch your eye. Don't hesitate. We're at 118 Grant Court in Chestertown, Maryland, and this is your next maiden level living to its finest.